All right, Chapter 5, Vocabulary, deals with el trabajo, so work, and also la rutina diaria, so our daily routine. So in this chapter, we're going to learn how to express daily activities at home and at work. Things like I take a shower, I go to bed, I wake up, I go to work, and some things that we can do at work. So first off, let's take a look at our vocab. La secretaria, la recepcionista, el asistente, la asistente. So you notice that this first set of words deals with office-related jobs. La computadora, llenar el formulario, enviar, contestar. La reunión or la junta, el teléfono, sonar, el escritorio, hacer una cita, el calendario, el horario, la oficina, el cajero, el cliente, el empleado, la caja o la caja registradora, el dinero, pagar. Pagar is a regular AR verb, so yo pago, I pay. La persona paga, so the person or the client, whoever pays. El cambio, la cuenta, el mesero, la mesera, el cocinero, la cocinera, el lavaplatos, cocinar, limpiar, enjuagar. This one's a little tricky, enjuago. So I rinse. Lavar is to wash. La propina, it's the tip. Los platos. Right, so we're obviously shifting over into more restaurant-related vocabulary. So trying to hit kind of some general employment categories, right? So the office, the restaurant, and the last section that you'll see is going to be a little bit of construction. So, okay, so el fin de semana, it's the weekend. Pedir, paisajista, paisajismo, afuera, adentro, el rastrillo, la pala, el cortador de mala hierba. This is like literally the cutter of weeds. Because certain machinery or work-related tools come from or originate from or are more common in another country, the United States, for example, a lot of times native Spanish speakers will refer to el cortador de mala hierba as a weed eater. Especially close to the border, you get some of that cross-language Spanglish. So it's very common to hear, terms such as weed eater, el mower, for example, instead of el cortacésped. Obviously, the further south you go into like Central America, South America, you're going to hear more and more these types of terminology. El cortador de mala hierba, cortacésped. But for us, being close to, in Arizona, close to the border, you might hear some of these other things. Weed eater. Okay? Podar is to trim. Los arbustos, los árboles. El césped, cortar. Trabajador de construcción, clavar. Los clavos, el martillo, los panales de yeso, el tablero, el piso, el techo, la pared, el cemento, la pintura, la puerta, la ventana. Right? And aside from that, some of the homework activities, just straightforward, what item is being referred to given the context of the sentence, right? So let's do number 1, for example. La blank trabaja en la oficina y contesta el teléfono y hace citas para los administradores. So somebody works in the office, they answer the phone, they make appointments for administrators. What could it be? All right, so we're looking at probably maybe la recepcionista or la asistente or el asistente. All right, so just a couple of activities there based on that, some reading comprehension, along with some questions, a few sentences to write. And then that's it for that section. All right, so that's it on this one. Only one more section to go.